$50. $75. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
You got 100 yen. You got
Yeah.
two good ones. Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, hopefully it's got a major in there too.
Hey.
Let's see what we got.
Yes. The green one and the.
Oh, and a 2250. Wow.
Wow. I was happy I got the
30. Holy cow.
big number. Sometimes, yeah, good.
Nice. Let's see what we get here. Come on.
Another green one.
Let's fill the whole screen.
One here yet. Yeah.
yeah.
Come on. Oh, there's another minor floating around. Let's see if we get that one. Oh, there you go. It's gonna be a good one. All right. Come on. There's some minis in there. Okay, we need one to stay alive. There. Oh, mini, $10. If we fill the two, we get the grant.
Yeah.
Never know. As long as we have spins, we have hope. Okay, one to stay alive. One to stay alive. All right, let's see what this totals. This is a good one. Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Good idea.
Oh, you got your 6. Oh, you're at 10 cent. Yeah.
The 5 on the nickels. I
Yeah.
went up, but I put it back in a couple times.
Yeah. That's a good mini there. Very good. So we got $298.50.